So Harshit, for me, it's like I've learned this from my mentor. So he said, "Ki you don't have to have that founder ego." So the founder ego is something like when you become like entrepreneur, you are the boss. So you have that founder ego. So when you talk to your team, when you are discussing the problems or the challenges you are facing in that entrepreneur journey, uh, you have that ego, so you cannot put that aside and be as a normal as a business person or as a colleague to your teammate. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. So अगर आपको फार जाना है, so it's like ego. So if you eliminate from that ego, then you can go far. So that's what I've learned, that you have to leave your founder ego aside. And second, you I guess have that assertiveness. So if you don't be assertive, then you are always playing the blame game. So for an example, if my investors says that Shweta, you have to do this, just because I respect him or her a lot, I'll do that. And if I feel in that particular field, then I will blame to him or her.
Yeah.
So you have to be very assertive because like I listen to everybody, sorry, but I will decide कि मेरी कंपनी के लिए, मेरे स्टार्टअप के लिए, मेरी जर्नी के लिए व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट डिसीजन आई कैन टेक. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक नेगेटिव वे कि मैं सबकी सुनती हूँ, करती अपनी हूँ. नहीं, यू हैव टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल वेन एवर यू आर टेकिंग. तो वो लास्ट ट्रम्प कार्ड तो आपके पास ही होना चाहिए. सो आई हैव लर्न दिस थिंग कि यू कांट प्ले ऑलवेज अ ब्लेम गेम. सो इट्स अ वेरी साइकोलॉजी थिंग कि whenever problems occur, whenever things happen, we always started to blame others. First thing we do is इसने ऐसा किया और इसने बोला था इसलिए मैंने किया. Be assertive, be very bold, be blunt कि जहाँ पे you are the decision maker, वो आप ही हो और आप ही कर सकते. So two things I've learned, that live aside your founder ego and be assertive.